a personal stylist?
Let's find out.
Today I am here with Chelsea. She's dedicated the past few years of her life to understanding different body shapes. We're going to see how her answers differentiate to Fashion Me's Style Genius. Okay, so I'll ask you a question and then we'll ask the Style Genius the same question and we'll see how aligned your guys' answers are. Does that sound good?
Yeah, sounds good.
So the first question I'll ask you is, what necklines do you think suit a rectangle body shape best?
Okay, for a rectangle body shape, I would say a scoop neck, a sweetheart neckline, or an off-the-shoulder topper or really flattering.
Awesome. Alright, let's see what the Style Genius has to say. Not bad, right?
No, I was actually really impressed by it.
The Style Genius isn't perfect, but it is a powerful start. Try it today on ChatGPT by searching Style Genius. And if you want the next level of personalised fashion, join the Fashion Me waitlist in the description below. Thank you.